Meaning of dolorous.
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 Dolorous. Dolorous is an adjective used to describe something or someone that is full of or causing great sorrow, grief, and sadness. It can be used in reference to a person's emotional state or to describe a situation or event that is particularly tragic or unfortunate. The word carries a heavy connotation of despair and melancholy, often associated with mourning and lamentation. To be dolorous is to be consumed by deep and intense sadness, as though weighed down by an unbearable burden of grief and loss.